pulling the deck out of the Mako.
Joe and Eric are removing all the rotted core, compromised core. You want to just pull this layer off.
Yeah,
and leave it like this. Then roughen this and we'll wrap all this. You can see the glossy spots in the layer. Those are in fact spots that the core never stuck to, which caused acceleration of the rot because of the condensation that builds up. This is what happens when you pour resin and then just throw a piece of fiber down, end up with those voids. And everywhere there's a void, it won't stick.
Wow, dude, super job. So, unfortunately, I didn't get too much of Eric's efforts in action. But he took this outside and, man, it was ugly. He ground it down to what we call pink surface. That's down to some good, fresh laminate. We'll fit the deck tomorrow to check height before we laminate our new core in. And these are the areas where we'll laminate both Penske board, G10, and foam core. Our T-top mounts for our Mako. This will get recessed into our stringer. It'll get glassed in. We'll be able to drill and tap our T-top legs into this with our fasteners only just going into our Penske board to eliminate any possibility of water over the next 20 years ever getting into the side of the boat.
I didn't get any of this on video yesterday. Joe, I think Gary and Stanley laminated core of underneath the deck. Later in the day, it's 3 layers, 1708. We've gone ahead and decided to not utilize the original wells, that they're paper thin, and we have oversized wells already worked into our stringer, which will give Bill a bigger bait well. Not bait well, but fish box.